Hi all, I'm Sandeep Sailesh Kumar from India, a process engineer now working with Power Project Consulting SRL in Sicilia, a part of PPC Italia, and I'm also a process consultant for Baker Hughes, which is a part of Nuova Opinione SRL. I graduated 3 years ago from University of Catania, Sicily, in chemical engineering master course. The course is entirely in English, so I think it's perfect for the international students. I knew about the possibility of studying in Sicily through word of mouth from one of my Indian friend in India. And back in 2015, it was more difficult for to find information about the chance of studying in Sicily. But I'm sure that now, thanks to the project study in Sicily, there are more information available for the students to find and what are the courses they're looking for. I'm pretty sure you'll get all the information through the media. Uh, Overall, I'm very satisfied with Sicily and also the life in Sicily because Sicily was and is very good to me. I found several friends from all part of the globe in Sicily, and now I'm grateful for the love and acceptance I got here in Sicily. At the beginning, there was always challenges such as language barrier because it's something which you can overcome thanks to the friendly nature of Sicilians. So my why Sicily? It's a question many people ask me, why Sicily? So my answer is plain simple. Why not Sicily? Sicily has very good old universities such as Palermo and Catania and has a very good ranking in European level. For example, if you take the example of Catania, back in 2015 there was only 4 courses which is in English. But right now in 2021, there are a lot more courses in English and there are a lot more international students, especially from India, Pakistan, Iran, and all. It's very cheaper to live and study thanks to many scholarship available, and therefore the life is very flexible. There are a lot of dorms available in university for the students, and also there are food mess available for the students, and it can increase the easiness for the students. Sicily is a very beautiful island and a Mediterranean climate, so the weather is so different from the other European places, and I feel easily you can adjust to the weather and you will be in love with the weather. I'm very lucky and very fortunate enough to find work in Sicily as soon as I graduated, thanks to the university and also thanks to the professor because they gave me the opportunity. And I never had to go out of Sicily, in fact, Italy, because I was offered internship while studying only in a local company. So I didn't have to go through all this, and I did my thesis there only, and which helped me graduate on time and also to find job later. I'm happy to say that there are a lot of industries in Sicily looking for graduates, especially in engineering and all. And I'm very satisfied with the work and my work life. And for the future students, I want to say that Sicily offers all the right points for the students who is serious about the academic balancing and also with the amazing outdoor experiences, especially finding new connections with the people all around the world, not just from the people from Sicily, but all around the world, and also discover incredible fresh local cuisine and also exploring the breathtaking landscapes and seas. And I think Sicily will surely guide you for a better life. And Sicily is a Pandora box full of surprises. Finally, I just want to say that all the best for the future students, and I hope some of you will come to Sicily for studying and also for work. So thank you. Ciao, ciao.